lot of water, high winds.
And you've been tracking this thing. You're just saying it's kind of textbook the way this thing looks.
Yeah, hurricane hunters are in it right now, and we're getting live updates from them. Flight level winds now 154 miles per hour, which would translate to roughly 140 down at the sea surface.
Right.
So we think this thing will probably be a Category 4 when the new update comes out at the top of the hour. And Taylor, it looks incredible right now in satellite imagery.
Yeah, you and I have been really closely watching the satellite imagery, and basically, if you wait to the latest frame here, this is textbook strengthening hurricane. You see those tall, bright colors. Those are really tall thunderstorms right around that eye. That eye has gotten very small. So all indications here are that this is a very powerful strengthening hurricane, and it does still have time over warm water before it reaches shore. So we'll be watching that next advisory very closely. Right now, a very strong Category 3. Would not be surprised if this is a Category 4 at this point, just based on the way that this storm looks and those measurements that we're getting from the hurricane hunters, I should say. Landfall this evening. So we're expecting a landfall in the Big Bend of Florida. We're watching that track very carefully. Sometimes when these hurricanes get very strong, you can see a little bit of a wobble in that hurricane. So we're going to have to watch this carefully. But at this point, strong Category 3 or a Category 4 as it makes landfall. It's going to move inland from there. And you now see all of these bright red colors here. These are hurricane warnings that extend into Georgia. They extend as far north as Macon, Georgia, getting close to Atlanta. Notice all of the state of Georgia in blue. Those are tropical storm warnings. We've also got tropical storm warnings that cover all of South Carolina. That tells you where the biggest impacts, at least inland from this system, are going to be. So 2 hour east of that center of circulation. We do have a few of our counties, though, that are included in a tropical storm warning. So Cherokee County, Cleburne, Randolph, Chambers County, all of those counties could experience tropical storm force winds as this system moves farther inland. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Jason Simpson. Jason, you're going to give us a closer look at what we can expect here in Alabama.
Yeah, as this thing moves inland, the biggest impact is clearly to our south later tonight into early tomorrow morning. But again, just like Taylor was showing, that northern eye wall has just gotten so large in the last couple of hours, and lots of bright flashes of lightning. So we think it's going to come inland there between St. Marks and Cross City about 10 o'clock Central Time. Here is one of the forecast models, and look at that right there between St. Marks and Cross City. This one's doing a pretty good job. Wind gusts in the neighborhood of 100 to 120 miles per hour, even inland. As it moves north, places like Dublin, Georgia, Tifton, Georgia, even Macon could be in that 40 to 90 mile per hour range. In East Alabama, this is where we'll have the greatest impact, but even there, 2 o'clock in the morning, it's not that windy just yet. Our strongest winds are going to happen around sunrise, maybe to about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then it'll slack off just a bit, 20 to 25, maybe a 30 gust here and there about 7 o'clock in the morning. Worst of the weather is going to be over toward Atlanta, and when this thing starts to shut down Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, you're going to see ripple effects for travel across the country. I would just suggest you call your airline and make sure if you're expecting someone that they're going to be on time. There's where I think the heaviest rain is going to fall, mainly near and east of U.S. Highway 431. We've been pointing that out all week, from Huntsville to Boaz, Gadsden, Anniston, down to Wadley and Roanoke, and then over to Auburn and Opelika. 2 to 5 inches of rain will be common. Some are going to be even higher than that. Flooding is more likely east of US 431, but we're all going to get some rain out of this. A lot of it's going to be really light, though, over West Alabama. Rain is already starting to move in. It's going to get breezier as this gets to us as well tonight into early tomorrow morning. Rain starts to settle in. Wind gusts over 20 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to top out in the 70s tomorrow. It will be blustery all day long, but it will not rain all day. Saturday and Sunday, we look for some spotty leftover showers, and because the clouds are here, we're not going to warm up all that much, but we will dry out and get a bit warmer toward the middle part of next week. And of course, we'll still be watching Helene for the next several hours.